the filmmaking masterclass is, I can't remember the exact week length, but it is a full long masterclass course where we'll start from writing a script all the way to the process of editing and producing it, or pre-production. So the each kids will be like encouraged to basically, we're gonna write stories. We'll create a story for us all together, and then each student is gonna basically make their own version of that movie, and we're gonna work week by week through this process of filmmaking. So we're gonna go from screenwriting to the process of like finding actors to the process of figuring out what kind of equipment we're gonna do. We're going to make sets and wardrobes, and we're going to figure out how we're going to shoot it. Then we're going to shoot it. We're going to edit it, and then we're going to show all of our friends. And hopefully by the end of the course, we'll have each person will have their own personal little movie that we all worked on together.